She is a beauty. These upgrades are looking really good. So today for part 4 and the last part of this series, we're gonna be doing 4th gen steering, and check it out. Carli stabilizer, which is gonna be getting rid of these ugly dual stabilizers. Yeah, it's about time for these to go. Alright, before we drop the steering, just make sure your steering wheel is locked down. It's not gonna move. Alright. That's how it's done. Alright, took the stabilizers off. And here's the side by side real quick. Pretty much gonna take a measurement from this end to that end on the stock one and try and match it here just to get it as close as possible. And then with the steering wheel all centered up, I'm just gonna match that as best as possible. This 4th gen is a lot thicker, so much girthier. Look at this. 41 millimeters. $33, $32. So I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, that's about it. All you want to do is match it as best as possible. I mean, it's still going to be off, so you're still going to have to get in alignment when you're done. Just a part number in case anybody is interested into getting one of these. This thing on? It is on. Oh my gosh. Babe, you're on camera. Alright, so I did have to readjust that side a couple turns. It's on there now. This side went right in. That's what I like to see. So I'll put that in, tighten it down, and then put the stabilizer in. Alright, to install a stabilizer, next thing, you're gonna loosen this bracket, move it as far as it goes towards the driver's side. There's a notch right here. Alright, so this is how it's gonna go. You want the silver spacers right here to be one on each side of the bearing. Alright, you're gonna stick it through the mounting hole on the axle and then just lock it down on the back side, alright? With the supplier nut. Now on this side, you're gonna go spacer on that bracket that's installed on the steering shock, then spacer, and it says use stock OEM nut, which the new steering didn't come with, but this nut right here works, so I'm using that. We also want this Schrader valve right here to be positioned upward. Alrighty then. Got our cotter pins in. Cotter pins in. $25 foot-pounds. 20 foot-pounds. And then on this bracket, 25 foot-pounds for all of them. And just like that, boys and girls, you have, I keep saying 4Gen, but it's really 09 plus, 09 and later, steering, Carli stabilizer. Let's make sure our steering wheel is still straight. Looks like it is. That looks like there's a little bit to the left though. Well, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go take it, get a line and everything. This bracket right here is like 1/8 of an inch from this, so I just have to loosen those up and rotate them down, and that'll be fixed. So other than that, it's good to go. Alright, so the stabilizer right here is pre-charged with 200 psi. If you get a left hand pull, all you gotta do is little by little hit the Schrader valve on it and release a little bit of pressure at the time. Go for another test drive. Just keep doing that until you get rid of the left hand pull. Now it all depends on your tires and everything else too, but I'm gonna check it out and go for a test drive, see if I have any pull, and then go from there. Alright, so we out here. Steering wheel is slightly to the right, truck is not pulling to the left, so pretty stoked about that. I don't have to mess with the stabilizer, but who knows what's gonna happen after I do the alignment. Alright, so anyways, so yeah, that's gonna do it for this part series right here. This is the last part 4. Hope you guys enjoyed. I got a couple nice trucks out here, just cruising through town. Some nice trucks. Anyways, like I was saying, it's gonna do it for this one. What do you want them to do, girls?
Hit the right button.
And what else?
To subscribe.
Oh, you heard the ladies. You heard the ladies. Do it. Alright, cheers.